What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Supreme Nige here, coming at y'all with a brand new, fresh unboxing video. Let's go. We got all of our packages in from last week, including our Air Force Ones that we got with SwiftSole. We did manage to clip a couple pairs for that. We have a white one and a black one, so I am very excited that we get to unbox them for you guys here today. Before I start this unboxing, I did get most of these items with SwiftSole, and then I will be unboxing one of my best and one of my first of a kind items to my collection that I'm going to be adding. But anyways, for SwiftSole, if you guys want to check them out, they are again back in stock, so I will leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to go purchase that for yourself. It is a very cheap and affordable iOS bot. I think it's around like 50 bucks right now, or 45 bucks, something like that, and it does cook up on the regular. You can also join their free Discord, which also has lots of great tools, and you can also see their success, so it's proven success. We have a few packages. Obviously, as you can see, this is probably going to be one of my biggest unboxings, so let's just get right on into it. We have our first package here. This one feels very light. This one is probably just going to be one item, I believe. We just got 2 register to vote box stickers in that one. Nothing special. I think this is just the... Oh my god, this is all messed up in that freaking package. Come on, Supreme, you couldn't do that? Better than that? Alright, looks like I gotta take this out real quick. But this is the one of 2 mohair beanies that I did get with SwiftSole. If you guys want to check out my live cop where I did purchase these, I will leave a link right here and a description down below. So this one's gonna be the olive or green mohair beanie. Why is it? Oh, there's like paper in here, but here it is. Just a regular old box, small little woven box logo right there. The mohair fabric. It's very kind of like a hairy fabric, to be honest. This piece is all right. I'm probably just gonna try to sell this off as quick as possible though, real quick. I will deal with all that later. But moving on to the next package. This one feels like some more hats that I got. And if you guys did not know, SwiftSole does do a multi-cart feature if you get their premium version, which I have. And I was able to get this package right here with a multi-cart, and it was with another mohair beanie and then a static beanie right here. And I did get the static beanie in the black right there. It honestly looked more staticky on the website. It doesn't look as much here, but I'm not gonna complain about that. There's like an old English font right there, something like that. Nothing on the back. This one's kind of like a knitted beanie, more of a knitted type of beanie like that. And then another mohair beanie. This one's just in the gray. This one is performing a lot better than the green one. Let's see what stickers we got in here. That's unfortunate, just 2 more box logos. Not too special with that. Oh, I think I know what this one is. So this one is gonna be my addition to my personal collection. So I will be actually holding off to the end, or near the end with that one. So moving on, we have another package that I did get. I think this was actually a restock that I was able to get. Alright, yep, this one's gonna be the small box crew neck. Just a couple more box logo stickers in there. Alright, I did get this one, the small box crew neck in the extra large natural. Ooh, this one's actually not bad. Here it is there. I did decide to go for this for the restock just because it was performing well at the time, and it is still the highest performing one. I probably will try to sell this off as soon as I can just because it is getting colder outside. But yet again, I might actually keep this for personal. It's honestly pretty fire. But I do have like that kanji logo crew neck for personal. And I did actually end up having to buy this personal on resale. So it was more expensive than that, unfortunately. So this one is gonna be a Woods Camp Cap. I did get also. I also think I just got this on the restock with SwiftSole. Because when the pre-made test, their colors were wrong. So I had to go in and fix the colors myself and make a custom color because I only wanted the Woods colorway for this pigment print script logo 6 panel. The only colorway for this cap I was gonna buy would have been this one, and I did get it, so I'm happy I did. Probably gonna be reselling that off in probably next spring or something like that. All right, what should we do? Should we go on to an Air Force or should we do a sneaker pick? I'm gonna save the Air Forces for a little bit. I did open this a little bit earlier just to save some time. Here we go. I did pick up a Air Jordan 12 Retro in the dark black Concord off of a restock from I think it was like, it was one of the foot sites. I can't remember which one, but here we go. This is gonna be Air Jordan 12 Black Concord. Boom. Right here, nice suede material right there, and this is like kind of like a gatory skin, kind of leathery material there. I did get this for the personal, just because I do believe this is pretty fire, and it's a pretty nice all black shoe, and I do like the actual. This is not quite purple, it's not quite blue, it's kind of like halfway in between. I do like that color a lot. Then it has a 2 spelled out right going down the front here, and then a 3 right there if this would decide to focus for me. Focus, there we go. I don't know why that was so hard to fucking focus. Oh, in the bottom we have the carbon fiber Jumpman logo right there. Come on, why is this having such a hard time focusing? But yeah, overall a very clean shoe for the personal. I am keeping this because it is also not performing that well on the resale market, probably just because it's been restocking a lot, and there's also a lot more hyped releases coming out this week. But yeah, that 12 is going to be for the personal. So moving on, this one's going to be the first Air Force that I did get with Swift Sole. Let me just get this open real quick. Nice, I like their packaging here. Pretty nice. Make sure their box doesn't move around all that much. Come on, Supreme. All you got is just 2 box logos. Did they not do any special like stickers this week? That week? Maybe they didn't. Maybe they didn't have like a collab. I can't remember exactly. All right, which one is this one gonna be? This one's gonna be the size 12 white. Here's the nice shiny top right there. Nice box logo. Supreme box logo. And we will open it up here for you guys. Just give you a quick peek. This isn't really a full review or whatever for these. These are nice, very nice high quality boxes. And then as you can see on the paper, maybe you can see that. But it does say Supreme and Nike all across the print. Well, here we go. Here is the Air Force One Supreme. This is size 12. The second biggest size that they were selling. I think all the sizes are selling pretty well. Let me take one out so I can get a better look at them. Oh, okay, so I thought they jibbed me and did not give me the laces, but they did actually tuck them on the inside in there. Ooh, this is definitely a very nice clean shoe. Of course, just because it's an all classic Air Force One, but here's the red box logo. That makes it another $100 more than usual. And then it has another box logo on the bottom insole there. And then the laces, I don't really want to take them all out because I am planning on selling this here to make my money. I did not get any of them in my size, unfortunately. If I did, I probably would have ended up keeping it. Get into the next one. There's 2 more box logos there. All right, so this one is going to be the black 11.5 here. Let me just quickly take one out to show you. It's just going to be the same as the other one, but in black, obviously. And this is just a half size smaller than the other one. I do believe actually, honestly, I do believe the white one is cleaner than this one. This one looks like it's been actually taken out the box and like dealt with or whatever, something like that. But definitely, these are very, very fire shoes. Let me just make sure they gave me the laces. Alright, they looks like they did. So here's the other laces with the printed Supreme all over them there. Alrighty guys, I saved the best for last. Since I did take an L on this on the BOGO day, I did have to get one for the personal. And I did not want to break my bank, so I did go and buy the cheapest one that I could get my hands on, which was not the white. This is going to be the navy extra large, as you can see. I will go ahead and un-DS this. I did pay like less than $180 for this, so I am happy. I bought it when it was at the least amount. Now it's probably gonna go up from there, but here we go. Nice box logo navy. Show you the tag for the maybe some legit checks if you want to go. People want to just make sure on what it looks like. But yep, this one is gonna be. This is my new best item in my collection. I'm happy I got that. So overall, that is gonna be it for this massive unboxing. Well, maybe it's not really massive, but it is pretty massive for me. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Definitely drop a like if you did, and please subscribe to the channel. That'll be much appreciated. And definitely go check out Swiftsole with the link down below. And also go check out my other live cops. That'll be also much appreciated. And as always, guys, much love, guys. Peace.